In this video, we will show how to add a program in the RK Plus controller. Let's start by selecting Program. In this video, we will select program number 1. The first thing we want to do is what days of the week do we want it to water. So we'll click on Water Days. And you have 3 selections here. You have a 14-day period where you select what days of the week you want it to water. Or you can select even dates, that only waters on dates that have even numbers, or odd dates, where only waters on days that are odd numbered. So we're going to go ahead and select the 14-day period and hit enter. As you can see, today is Tuesday, starting off with a T, and it will always show whatever the day of the week is currently, so Tuesday. So let's say we don't want to water on Wednesday, so we'll use the right arrow key and we'll use the down arrow key to take the day of the week out. Then we'll go to next week Wednesday, and we'll take out next week Wednesday. When we are done, just hit Water Days. The next thing we want to select is when do we want the clock to start. So we'll hit Start Time, and we'll hit Enter, and this will be our first start time. You can have up to 12 start times. So we're going to go ahead and make this 8 o'clock. We're going to change it to PM. We'll hit the Enter key. The next thing we want to do is put some run times in for the stations for program number 1. So we'll click on Run Time. And we'll start off with station number 1 if we'd like. And we'll use the right arrow key. As you can see, you have hours, minutes, and seconds. So we're going to go ahead and put 5 minutes on station number 1. Hit Enter. And now we went back to the station number with an up arrow key. We're going to go to station number 2. And let's say, for instance, we didn't want to water anything on number 2. We can go ahead and move up to number 3. Hit the right arrow key. And let's add 5 minutes on station number 3. Hit Enter. And let's say we want to water station number 4. We use the up arrow key. And then the right arrow key to adjust the time. And let's put 10 minutes on station number 4. So we have now programmed station run times on 3 stations and for a total of 20 minutes. The last thing we want to make sure is that because you can have 10 programs in an RK Plus controller, you need to make sure whatever programs you want to water automatically are in the active position. So we're going to go down here to Program Status. And as you can see, the program is in the active position. Go ahead and put the clock back to the auto position. And now you can see program 1 is going to start at 8 o'clock p.m. It's going to water a total of 3 stations for a total runtime of 20 minutes. You have now set up program 1 to water automatically.